Matt Santiapada, Santa knows best.
Andrew Young, Mortgage Wise Financial, and the Community Mortgage Movement.
Today we're going to talk about Purchase Plus Improvement Loan. So Andrew, what can you tell us about a Purchase Plus Improvement Loan?
So first and foremost, the concept of the Purchase Plus Improvement is you find a place that you want to do some upgrades to. So whether it's really old, or you don't like the kitchen, or you don't like the bathroom, or you don't like the living room, and you want to make some changes to it, but you don't have access to all that capital.
Yep.
In the long term, then we can implement what's called Purchase Plus Improvement. A couple of things you need to do is you need to get some quotes from a contractor on the work that you want to do. It has to be on company letterhead of a contractor. It can't just be Uncle Tim coming in and be like, I'll do it for $13,000. Not going to work, right? Napkin deal in this case, not going to work. So we need to be on the company letterhead. The lender will approve the work that you want to do.
Okay.
You have to cover the costs of the renovation up front, or work with a contractor that will cover the cost of the renovation. When the renovations are complete, then we can actually send an inspector and an appraiser in there to make sure the work is complete, and the funds that you use to do the renovations will be reimbursed to you and added on to the mortgage.
Are there restrictions as to how much somebody can spend on improvements, or percentage of, over the value of the home? What does that look like?
Sure. So with most lenders, of course, there's different exceptions with different lenders, just like with a lot of different things. The rules are 10% of the value of the home, up to a maximum of $40,000.
Okay. And time frame. So Andrew, someone looks at doing a Purchase Plus Improvement Loan. How much time do they have to do the work?
The lenders outline at least 120 days. So that's when they like the work to be done, so they can send the money to the lawyer to get released to you.
Is there any movement on the 120 days? Like, can they make an exception, or is it literally it's written in stone, it's 120 days, that's it?
It's a guideline of 120 days, but it's pretty flexible. If you get the work done in a couple weeks, you can get the money released in a couple weeks.
It's Matt Santiapada, Santa knows best.
Andrew Young from the Community Mortgage Movement, Mortgage Wise Financial. Know your options on Purchase Plus Improvements.